To finish the window in this building, we will use a facade slat. First, we need to measure the desired dimensions to finish the window. Then we need to cut the slat properly. The upper part of the slat needs to be cut so as to ensure appropriate drainage. The lower part also needs to be cut so as to neatly hide the connection. We have the slats here, cut in the right way, and I will show you how to assemble them to make it look nice and aesthetic after mounting. This way, here, we get a nice, neat joint and no gap is created. And here, by bending this part, we ensure water drainage from the upper part of the slat to the vertical one, and the water will continue to flow on the windowsill. This is how to cut the window slats properly. And now the window recess is finished, water drainage is ensured, an aesthetic joint has been made, and now we can proceed to the panel assembly.